Good morning, grade 8. How are you? So today we will do exercise number 7. Okay. So wait for 1 minute. See the exercise number 7. Okay. This one complete avec un. These are the article contracte. These all. Okay. So these all is going with article contracte avec a. This will go with a, and these all go with the. Okay, so the meaning of these all, these au, a, ala, apostrophe and o, these all are the article contracte defini. Okay, so defini forms avec a. So meaning is to the, at the, or in the. And if the article is due, the, due, dala, apostrophe and they, these are the article contracte avec the. Okay, the first one is these all is article contracte avec a. Okay, and these all avec the, right? So meaning of these all, this one, all meaning is to the, at the, or in the. And this one is all the meaning of the and from the. Okay, so according to the sentence we will use. Okay, so like this we use for masculine form, this we use for feminine form, this we use when the vowel come or ash, h, and this we will use for plural form. Okay, and the same the we use for of and from. Okay, due use for masculine form, dala use for due use for masculine, dala for feminine, dala apostrophe when the vowel come or ash, h. Okay, and they we use for plural form. So see the first one, j'invite mes amis au restaurant. Okay, in I invite my friends in the restaurant. Okay, so we have to see the word after the blank. Okay, it is masculine or feminine. Okay, then B part, elle parle à sa fille. Okay, she speak to the girl. Okay, fille is a girl. C part, il donne la fleur à Marie. Okay, he give the flowers to Marie. Marie is a name of girl. Okay, le livre du professeur est gros. Okay, and is talking about the we have to see the professor. Professor is a will be same, masculine and feminine will be same, there will be no change. And la livre is a masculine form, book. Okay, so due will come. Okay, then E part, j'entre à la université. Entre is to enter, university is university, and ala because the word is started with u. Okay, like I enter in the university. Okay, F part, je cherche la photo de la grand-mère. Okay, cherche is to look or to see the photo of the grandmother. The la, okay, of the grand-mère. Grand-mère is grandmother. Okay, then G part, le chapeau. Chapeau is hat. Du garçon. Du garçon is a masculine form, that's why du comes. A vert. Vert is a color. Okay, then see the H part, tu écris en parents de Paris. Okay, tu écris is to write, en parents its parents are there, so to the parents of Pierre. Pierre is a name. Okay, we use this, the is of and from. Okay, so this is articles. Okay, and see the exercise 8, complete avec the, derrière, these are the prepositions. Okay, which I told you have to learn these all. See the page number 15 and 16. Okay, so learn page number 15 and 16 for these. Okay, so like first one is le garçon vont au cinéma après l'école. Okay, the boys go to cinema after the school. Okay, la tableau est derrière la professeur. The tableau is a blackboard, is behind the professor. Okay, see, la table est devant la professeur. Okay, table is that table. Okay, is devant, in the front of the professor. Okay, then same you have to learn these. Okay, you have to learn these all, like mon père va chez la coiffeur. Okay, wow. So like my father go to at the place of the barber. Okay, coiffeur is barber. E. Roger jouait avec ses amis. Okay, Roger play with his friends. Says is a, I told you these are the adjective possessives. Says. Mr. Verma prend son café. Mr. Verma is a name. Prend is to take. Son café, coffee. Son sucre, without sugar. Okay. G. Les élèves, students, go to school. Where? Not far. At 9 o'clock. Okay. So, le chat jouait sous la table. Okay. The chat jouait is to. Le chat jouait sous la table. The cat. Chat is a cat. Jouer is to play. Sous, under the table. Okay. So this is prepositions you have to learn. Exercise 8. And then exercise number 9. Okay, see the first one. You have to do the some verbs are given in bracket. Use the nettoyer, tu, ta, voiture. Nettoyer is to wash. Okay, tu, ta, voiture. Okay, voiture is your car. Okay, nettoyer is nettoyer. This is a verb to wash. Okay, be je voyais, voir to see. Okay, and je voyais, I see l'arc-en-ciel. Okay, l'arc-en-ciel is a rainbow. Elle n'a prend pas de vin. Prendre meaning is to take. Okay, she don't take wine. Okay, vin is wine. D part. Tu viens à quelle heure? Venir verb is meaning is to come. Okay, tu viens, you come at which time? Vous sortez avec vos amis. Sortez is to leave, to go out. Okay, so you go out with your friend. Okay, plural form is there. This is adjective possessive. VOS. Okay, elle regarde le spectacle. Regarder verb is to see, to watch. Okay, so this is the exercise number 9. Okay, and then G part. Nous allons à l'église. Aller verb is there, meaning is to go. Église is church. Okay, nous allons à l'église. Okay, we go to the church. H part. Vous ne visitez pas la France. Visiter is to visiter verb, to visit. Okay, and France is France. Okay, tu peux ouvrir la porte. Okay, you can open. Ouvrir is to open. La porte is door. Okay, pouvoir verb, to be able or to can be. Okay, for can be. Elle veut acheter une grande maison. Vouloir verb is there. Okay, to want. Okay, acheter is to buy. Grande maison, like big house. Okay, like she want to buy a big house. Okay, 10th exercise we will not do. This is imperative, we will do later. And so please, this exercise will not come in exam also. 10th exercise. Okay, then don't ask again and again about this. So okay, now after that we have to complete with the prepositions, which I told you learn page number 15 and 16 for these. Okay, So the first one is la jardin est dans la maison. La garden is front of the house. And no, elle est derrière la maison. No, it is behind the house. Okay. So derrière is, I'm telling you meaning of these. Okay. So B part. Dans la train, ma sœur n'est pas assise à droite. Okay. Elle est assise à gauche. Okay. She is sitting in assise. It means to sit. Okay. Okay. There is adwat. Adwat is right side and agos is left side. Okay. So sans is without. Okay. Sans we use without. This is without. Okay. Now see the exercise. C part. Mon père n'aime pas la voyage avec la baguette. Okay. My father aims to like, but his don't like. Okay. My father don't like voyager, like to travel with bags. So il voyage toujours. He always travel without. Sans is without. Baggage is bag. Okay. Then D part. Contre is against. Okay. Like est-ce que vous êtes pour la télévision? Okay. So no, je suis contre la télévision. I am against the television. Okay. Then E part. Les livres ne sont pas sur la table, ils sont sous la table. Sous is under the table. Okay. SOUS. Sous under the table. Okay. This is then F. Mon école n'est pas près de ma maison. Like my school is not near my house. So elle est loin de ma maison. Loin we use so far. Okay. It's so far. Okay. From my house. Okay. Maison is house. G part. Il va en bureau. Avo na far. No, il va en bureau. Okay. Il va. This is aller verb. This one VA. Okay. This is a conjugation of the verb. En bureau is a office, and après nafar is after 9 o'clock. Okay. He go to bureau after 9 o'clock. Then H part. Son appartement n'est pas en dessus de mon appartement. Okay. Il est en dessus mon appartement. This one is below. Okay. En dessus. Okay. And this one is above. This one is above. It is above. Okay. And this one is below. Okay. This word it is same almost, only one word is different. Check the spell. Okay. So my apartment, it is above my apartment. Okay. So please see the spell of this one and this one. Okay. So this is your video. Or okay, exercise 10 we will not do, and this will not come in exam also. Okay. So please complete these exercises and learn page number 15 and 16 again and again. I am saying, and see the page number 14. Some articles are given, and you can see these articles. Page number 150. Okay, see the page number 150. You can see all the articles. Fine. Page 150. 150. Page. See all the articles. Okay. Thank you. Take care and complete your book.